Hey YouTube, just want to come at you guys today with another quick video. Showcase the recent pickups, but then want to talk a little bit about the cryptocurrencies. Get you guys invoked in a little thought-provoking exercise here today. So as you see in front of you, we've got the 10-ounce Queen's Beast in. I got the 10-ounce Magnificent Maple and 5 of the Cayman Island Marlins. Beautiful coins, by the way. All of them are just fabulous. But the 25 ounces you see in front of you was all paid with Bitcoin. And the orders were done on JM Bullion. And the Bitcoin, you get the cash price or the check price, not the credit card price for it. Whereas Provident Metals, they have like a middle price where you have the check price, and then you have the Bitcoin price, and then you have the credit card price. So JM Bullion was a little bit cheaper. Plus they are really the go-to dealer for me that I usually get most of my stuff from. So I want to talk to you a little bit about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, and not just Bitcoin itself. There's been a little bit of controversy going around the community in reference to it. I know Junius Malpe did some great videos, and he had a great discussion on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, and so did Salivate Metal. Both of those guys are not in favor of the cryptocurrencies, and I get it. I agree with them to some point. Everything that they say is true. You know, this could be the biggest Ponzi scheme upon us right now at this point in time. But I have to view myself as an opportunist, and when there's something there to take benefit on, I'm going to try and do it and make some money and turn around and put it into metals. So that's what I did. I got on Coinbase 2 months ago. And if you guys are interested on Coinbase, if you're interested in starting this, I'll put a link in the description. If you guys click on that link, and your first $100 that you buy, you're going to get $10 free Bitcoin, and I'll get $10 free Bitcoin. If you don't want to use the link, well, by all means, don't use it. You know, if you want to just get it yourself or go to other sites, or on the home page of my YouTube, you'll see up in the heading up there, you'll see check out Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you click on that link, that'll take you right to the Coinbase site too. Coinbase is really simple to use. It's not hard. You just need to verify all your information, and you can be buying the cryptocurrencies the same day. So what I did was, a couple months ago, I opened up a Coinbase account, and I started investing in the cryptos. And by no means, when Coinbase, when I had started, they only had two. They had Bitcoin was available and Ethereum was available. So I invested some money into the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Litecoin was not on there yet. And in 2 months, what you see in front of you are profits that are made that allowed me to buy the metals. Now, I agree. Is this a high-risk investment? Yes, it is. I'm lucky to have other investments. I have my pension for retirement, so I have a little bit of mad money to play with. And instead of going into the stock market, I wanted to check out the cryptos because they have been on the move, and I just wanted to see what a little bit could do. And that little bit invested was about $1,000, and you're going to see these type of returns. Now, these are profits that are taken out. So the way I look at it, I got my profits, I got my money out, and I'm going to start playing on their money here pretty soon. And could it all go to zero tomorrow? Yeah, it could. It really could go to zero tomorrow, but the profits I have in front of me, you can't beat it. And Bitcoin's been around for a while. Ethereum's been around. They've been trading a little bit more now on Coinbase and other exchanges. And Coinbase, you can also trade on the GDAX. That is their specific one that you can trade the Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin on. So I just wanted to reach out to all of you in the community and kind of give you another view of the discussion on cryptocurrencies and how they can be profitable, but they're a high-risk investment. you know, and you have to look at it that way. High risk, high reward. I mean, if everyone just, you know, went the conservative route with everything, you know, you may not be making as much profit in time. And I understand it's high risk. It is, but I think every portfolio should have a little bit of high risk in it. Now, mind you not, I am not trying to be, no pun intended, a snake oil salesman here. And I'm not trying to give financial advice by any means. I'm the last person to do that. I'm just trying to give you my own experiences here and what I've done in the last 2 months. And as you can see, 25 ounces of metals isn't too bad. And I've got another purchase lined up that's going to be for gold. That's going to be coming out the next wave of profits. Now, when I bought in at Bitcoin, I bought in at when Bitcoin was $1,000. I bought in Ethereum when it was at 38. I cashed out Bitcoin when it hit 18, and I cashed in Ethereum when it hit 98, right at the tops. And I pulled the money out, put it back into my bank account, let it sit there, and then I threw it back in again after it went down and went back up again. And that's when I took some of the profits and used the Bitcoin to actually buy the metals themselves. So something for you guys to think about. I know it's a risky investment, but you know, so is this. So is investing in silver and gold, and you know, some of the coins that we buy. You know, we'll sit there and throw. I've seen many stackers throw thousands and thousands of dollars into coins, hoping for them to get graded high and to make out, or hoping that the coin is going to turn into a hot item, and in, you know, 4, 5, 6 years down the road, they're gonna sell it and double their profits. Well, it depends. Do you have 5 or 6 years to hold on to coins to have your money tied up that long? You know, there's a different game for everything. And I'm trying this right now. Like I said, I'm an opportunist. Do I believe what Sal said and what Junius Maltby said? Yeah, I do. You know, it could go to zero tomorrow. The government could make it illegal. There could be a lot of things that happen with these cryptos. But there could be a lot of good things that happen as well. And do you really want to be left sitting on the sidelines, having somebody sit there and tell you, I told you so? You know, that's the thing you got to look at. Is this going to be an I told you so or not? Could be. It could go either way. I told you so it was going to crash, or I told you so that this was going to be a financial gain for people. So think it over. The link's in the description if you want to use Coinbase. There's the link to 10 free Bitcoins when you sign up and buy $100 worth. Or if not, you know, do your homework. That's all I can say. I did, and I'm glad I did, and I'm reaping the profits of it, you know, as we speak. So you guys all have fun, have a great night.